Okay, so this is our next example for our um, elimination method using the subtraction method. Okay, so take a look at this example. Okay, dito uli, wala tayong makakancel ni isa. So, paano kaya natin siya masosolve? So, we will use the subtraction method. Kasi doon sa addition method, automatic meron tayong makakancel. Pero this time, hindi natin makakancel itong common na terms because parehas siyang positive. So, anong gagawin natin? So, gagawin natin siyang subtraction. So, pag nagsusubtract tayo, ibig sabihin, itong subtrahen o yung second term, babalik ta rin natin ang sign. Itong positive 2x magiging negative 2x at itong positive 3y magiging negative 3y. Itong negative 2 magiging positive 2. Okay. Take note of the changes in the subtrahen. So, pag nabago na natin yan, itong minus na to magiging plus. Okay, then we will try to solve it vertically. Okay, ganyan ang pagsasolve natin ha, vertically, hindi horizontally. Okay, take note of my um, take note of my examples. Okay, my um, yung mga sinulat ko, yung tawag dito, yung mabiniliugan ko. Okay, sa solve. Okay, 2x plus negative 2x is 0. Positive 2y plus negative 3y is negative y. 2 plus positive 2 is positive 4. Eliminate the 0. Ang matitira is negative y equals 4. Okay, katulad, tandaan natin na we are not solving for the value of the variable na negative. Dapat lagi siyang positive. Kung ito kasi positive na to, edi may value na tayo ng y or ng kung anong variable lang pwede. Pero this, pag negative, hindi pa ibig sabihin hindi pa tapos yung problem. So ito, pag may negative tayong nakita, i-divide natin sa negative 1. Okay, so y is equals to positive 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, sulat natin yung ordered pairs. So, since y ang nakita natin dito, ilalagay natin siya sa pangalawa. Hindi dito siya, kasi ang pwesto nito ay para sa mga x, itong pangalawa ay para sa mga y. So, kaya ko siya nilagay dito sa pangalawa because y siya. Okay, next. The next step is solve natin yung value ng x. Since meron na tayong y, x naman ang kukunin natin. So, sulat lang natin yung equation. 2x plus 2y equals positive 2. Then, substitute the value of y dito. So, 2x plus 2, yung y, papalitan natin parenthesis, negative 4 equals positive 2. Take note of the difference, ha? Next, so 2x positive 2 negative 4 is negative 8 equals 2. Okay, since hindi natin pwedeng i-add yung x doon sa any number, so mangyayari, ito, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, magiging 2x is equals to 2. Since negative siya, positive 8. So, 2x is equals to 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Sige, ito na naman. We are not solving for the value of um, a variable that is greater than 1. So, pag meron tayo nakita dito na greater than 1, divide natin siya kung ano man ito. So, in this case, 2. Kung anong sign niya, yun din ang sign niya. So, divide both sides by positive 2, cancel. X is equals to 10 over 2 is equals to 5. So, lalagay natin siya dito sa unahan. So, the solution is 5 and 4. Let us check. Okay, this is the symbol for checking. Copy the equation. 2x plus 2y equals 2. Okay, dapat daw hanggang huli magiging 2 rin siya pababa dito. So papalitan natin yung value ng x. 2 times 5 kasi 5 ito plus 2 times negative 4 is equals to 2 daw. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10 plus positive 2, negative 4 is negative 8. Okay, so dapat kung 2 ito, dapat ito pag in-add natin, or in this case, subtract natin, dapat 2 din siya. So, 10 minus 8 is 2. So, therefore, tama ang ating unang checking, given the solution. Okay, the second checking, copy the given equation, yung original natin. Actually, pwede rin naman yung pangalawa. No problem. 2x plus 3y equals negative 2. Substitute natin 2 times 5 plus 3 times negative 4 is equals to negative 2. 2 times 5 is 10 plus, okay, teka, so, natin. Positive 3, negative 4, that is negative 12 equals negative 2. Okay, dapat daw uli ay mag-equal siya. So, negative 2, dapat pag in-add or sinubtract natin ito, negative 2. 10 minus 12 is negative 2. Okay, equal uli. So, therefore, yung na-solve natin na values ng x and y or the solution, 5, negative 4 is correct. Okay, so that is our example number 2.